Kawasaki Ninja 300 Best Motorcycle for Beginners. Embarking on the exhilarating journey of motorcycling as a beginner can be both thrilling and overwhelming. It's a voyage defined by choices that determine the trajectory of your riding experience, with the motorcycle you choose playing a pivotal role. In this landscape, the Kawasaki Ninja 300 stands as an exceptional beacon, guiding new riders with its perfect blend of performance, user-friendliness, and iconic design. As a revered member of the Ninja family, the Ninja 300 embodies the very essence of what makes a motorcycle the best choice for those stepping into the world of two-wheeled adventures. At the heart of the Kawasaki Ninja 300 lies a potent 296cc parallel twin engine. This powerplant's finely tuned performance strikes a harmonious balance between approachability and exhilaration. Generating approximately 39 horsepower, the Ninja 300 delivers an ideal power output for those transitioning from smaller displacement machines or stepping onto a motorcycle for the first time. The power delivery is progressive and manageable, allowing new riders to master the nuances of throttle control while experiencing the excitement of acceleration. One of the Ninja 300's standout features is its lightweight chassis, which offers an optimal platform for beginner riders. Weighing in at around 380 pounds, the Ninja 300's nimble and agile handling is an invitation to explore the streets with confidence. Maneuvering through urban traffic and tackling twisty backroads becomes a seamless endeavor, granting new riders the freedom to focus on honing their skills without feeling overwhelmed by the bike's weight. Safety is paramount, especially for those starting their motorcycling journey. The Kawasaki Ninja 300 addresses this concern with the inclusion of ABS, anti-lock braking system, as a standard feature. ABS prevents will lock up during hard braking, ensuring that beginner riders can confidently brake in various conditions without the fear of losing control. This technology enhances both safety and confidence, making the Ninja 300 an ideal choice for those who prioritize responsible riding. The Ninja 300's ergonomics are thoughtfully designed to accommodate riders of varying heights and builds. The upright riding position provides comfort during longer rides and a commanding view of the road ahead, while the handlebar placement ensures relaxed control. Additionally, the seat height is set at an accessible level, allowing most riders to place both feet flat on the ground, bolstering confidence when stationary or maneuvering at low speeds. The aesthetic allure of the Kawasaki Ninja 300 is undeniably captivating, drawing inspiration from its larger siblings in the Ninja lineup. Its sharp lines, aggressive stance, and dual headlamp front end contribute to its sporty and modern appeal. The Ninja 300's iconic Ninja styling not only signifies a sense of pride but also serves as an inspiration for beginner riders to step into the world of motorcycling with confidence. Advanced features are seamlessly integrated into the Ninja 300's design, further enhancing its appeal. The digital instrument cluster offers a wealth of essential information at a glance, including speed, fuel level, and gear position. The Ninja 300 also boasts a slipper clutch, which not only facilitates smoother gear shifts but also prevents rear wheel instability during aggressive downshifting, providing enhanced control and safety. Affordability is a key consideration for beginners, and the Kawasaki Ninja 300 shines in this aspect. Its reasonable price tag ensures that aspiring riders can enter the world of motorcycling without breaking the bank, while still enjoying the thrill of owning a revered and performance-oriented machine. This affordability factor extends to maintenance and upkeep, contributing to the overall appeal of the Ninja 300 as a practical and exciting choice. While the Kawasaki Ninja 300 is undoubtedly tailored for beginner riders, it's essential to prioritize safety and skill development. Investing in high-quality riding gear, including a DOT-approved helmet, protective apparel, gloves, and sturdy footwear, is crucial. Additionally, enrolling in a certified motorcycle safety course can equip new riders with fundamental skills and knowledge that are essential for safe and enjoyable riding. In conclusion, the Kawasaki Ninja 300 shines as a beacon of excellence among motorcycles designed for beginners. Its harmonious blend of manageable power, lightweight construction, safety features, and striking aesthetics create a package that caters to the needs of those embarking on their motorcycling journey. With its agility, safety enhancements, and iconic design, the Ninja 300 not only introduces riders to the thrill of motorcycling but also sets a solid foundation for skill development and a lifetime of unforgettable adventures on two wheels.